Hello, how are you? Welcome if you're new. If you hey boo, how you? I am Queen Diva Lifestyle. This is my channel. I am your content creator. I am here to give you some content creating tips. Rule number 1. When you are becoming a content creator, do not tell your friends, your family, anyone. Let them people find you on your own. If you tell them, you're going to be in some mess and some drama, baby. Let them find you on their own. Number 2, and the most important one, your biggest supporters are going to be strangers. Don't think too much. Don't let it go over your head. 3, make sure you use your natural light, which I'm using, and a ring light. It's going to work. It comes in handy each and every time. Whatever number this is, make sure you remember, even with making the content, you are the niche. It is your channel. It is your content. I don't care if it's TikTok, YouTube, whatever. You post what you want to post. Do not be locked in a bubble. Do not be stuck at one thing, because you will get bored and you will have a creative block. Now, I know you hear consistency. I post inconsistently. It shouldn't be a shocker. But I post what I want, if that makes sense. I have maintenance videos. I have wig reviews. I do mommy content. I do food stamp hauls. I do anything I choose to post. That's 1, relatable. 2, content. And 3, I make it fun and creative. I even have coffee videos. Keto videos. Do not let these internet bullies bully you. Clap back in the comments. Everything is a time and a place, and respect is first. If they don't respect you when they comment, you don't have to respect them. And I'm going to tell you why. That view that they gave you and that comment they gave you, it's going to help you get further and more exposure than they think. So let them trolls waste their time and their fingers. Don't ever get mad. Always remember, it's your channel. You have tougher, thicker skin. And don't block a hater. Let them haters watch. Your target audience will follow you, be loyal to you. You don't have to ask and you won't have to beg. Your audience will find you just like that man did. And I said what I said. Do not come up here trying to be somebody else, be like somebody else. Always be you. If nothing else, be you. God made one of you. He didn't give you a twin. And even if you got siblings, y'all not twins. Be you. Be authentically you. Be genuine you. And this is the biggest thing you're going to hear me say. Make you and your content relatable. It needs to be relatable. It needs to be reality. See, I'm a stay-at-home mom. So I'm not going to come up here with wigs, makeup, and looking decked out all day. Because the reality of it, that's not what you do every day. Yes, I could do my hair every day, but I'm not. Yes, I could get my nails done every day if I want to. But I'm not. That is just not the reality. And if you want to live the aesthetic reality of being that all the time, that's what your audience is going to expect from you. If that's not something you're going to do every time you post and create, then I suggest you leave that alone. It's okay to do a maintenance week. You could even glow up at home. But be mindful of what you post. I will show you a shower routine video. I will do a Bath and Body Works haul. I will do a hygiene haul, but I won't do a shower routine. Because I shouldn't tell you how to wash your body. The way I wash my body is not your body. We don't need shower routines. We new to this. We not new to this. We true to this. Okay? Okay. Make sure you pay attention to your analytics. That is going to help you get further and better. And here's another tool, truth and gem. Pay attention to your audience. Whatever videos they like the most are the videos you are going to post more of. Repeat. Whatever video they like the most are the videos you're going to do more of. You're still going to do your other content, but you will post more videos that they like, because that's how you're going to get more watch time, more watch hours, more push, more press. That is where it's at. And in my journey of content creation, this young lady was giving out tips, and what she said, it made absolute sense. I'm not finished, but hold on. She said, do not go buying cameras and all that equipment and then realize you don't even want to post. You don't even want to shoot and report and post the content. Because now you have a bunch of stuff that you splurged on and you're not even using it. So now you got to sell it. Which is why I recommend, if you're going to go the camera route, if you're going to invest like that, at least hit 5K on all platforms. Not 500K, but 5K. If you make it to 5K subscribers within a year, that's when you start to buy and upgrade. Because right now, I am using an iPhone, and that is all I am going to use. I am at 2-something subscribers on YouTube. I am at 10.5K on TikTok. And yet I'm not investing yet. When I feel I should, I will. Did I get a camera? Yes. Did I buy the camera? No. Another gem and another jewel. When you are working with brands, again, I'm a wig influencer on TikTok. I'm a wig influencer on this channel. If they require me to put on makeup, that's a fee. If they require me to bleach knots, that's a fee. If they require me to do anything specifically to show their hair, that is a fee. When I give my prices, I am charging them for my lighting. I pay a light bill. I am charging them for my phone to record. I pay my cell phone bill. So again, don't ever low budget, lowball yourself. If they can ask you to do it as a requirement, you can charge them to do it as extra. So all I'm going to say to you is I hope this helps on your journey And please remember, you need the viewers. You need the watch time. So, get monetized, get it at your own pace. But your followers, it don't count until you cross the threshold. Now that watch time you need regardless everywhere. And going viral does not guarantee monetization. For sis in the back, going viral does not guarantee monetization. I've been on YouTube and I have TikTok, and I should be monetized on both. But I'm not for watch time. So don't think because you hit 10K on TikTok, no. Go see how many views you need. Get them views up. Get past the subscriber part. Get your views up. Try to do both. YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours. If you don't make it within that year, whichever time you got, they're going to decrease it if you're not monetized by the day you started, posted, or whatever. If you can do both, do both. If not, keep creating the content. That way it doesn't drop so much. Pay attention to your analytics. And again, I hope this helps you. I just updating this video. I love you. Bye.